Welcome, and thank you for choosing Outdorable. Together, we will guide you on how to use your play equipment safely to enable you to experience the wonders of our world.
To ensure that there is sufficient space for your movable play equipment to be safely reconfigured in multiple configurations, you will need to first check there is at least 1,500 millimeters of soft fall safety playground matting or bark surfacing around any of the pieces that are over 600 millimeters high. In our range, these are the items that require soft fall playground surfacing. To easily measure this zone, simply use one of the challenge planks to measure the distance from each outside edge. If using two of the same climbers together in a hexagon, we recommend fitting the Outdorable climber connector between the climbers to hold them secure, especially useful for uneven ground or bark surfaces. To attach the challenge planks correctly, ensure that the rubber stoppers are locked into the slots on the climbers as shown. Always test for stability before children have access to the equipment. Let the children be part of the arranging of the equipment and testing to see if it is set up safely. This encourages self-directed responsibility for their play space. We recommend that only 2 children are on the planks at any given time. To correctly assemble the monkey bars, simply place the connectors A into the slots on the climber B. Only use the 3 outer sides on the climber. Both connectors must be inserted into the slots to ensure secure structure. Do not place in the single slot marked X. Only one child should be swinging on the bars at one time. Children should not climb on top of the monkey bars. To attach the slide, simply place the connector into the top slot on the climber. Turn the safety lock from the inside once in place to ensure the slide does not come out if bumped. To attach the rock climbing wall, simply hook the connectors into the slot as shown. To mount this on the 600 millimeter climber, the hooks will need to be bent out slightly to allow a neat fitting. Do this by tilting the climber backwards, connecting the climbing wall in, and then pulling it out as the climber rests into position, thus bending the connectors to the correct angle. Outdorable climbers can be configured in so many different ways, providing endless play and development opportunities, promoting open-ended, flexible play for preschool children. Make a boat and sail out to sea. Climb in and out of the dark and gloomy cave. Post a letter to someone you love. Hide safely from the approaching enemy. Who can make it to the end of the Junior Ninja Challenge? General safety at all times. Always ensure the equipment is supervised by an adult when in use. This equipment is designed specifically for children under 6 years old in supervised play places. It is the supervisor's responsibility to ensure that the structures are set up in a safe and functional way before allowing children to access the equipment. If the equipment is wet, ensure it is dried off before children play on it, as it may become slippery when wet. If the equipment is situated under trees and forestry, check for leaf residue or surface mildew. Clean the equipment with stiff brush and soapy warm water should surface mold become a concern. Most of all, enjoy each and every day in so many ways, thanks to Outdorable.